Yes, guys, and so we're going.
Yes, guys, we are making potato salad, tossed salad, along with jerk chicken. So that's the menu for this Mother's Day.
They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? From you see us and you see this from my ear, you know, say we are in chef mode. Yes, guys, today is Mother's Day and we are doing a little cooking, a little celebration and all of that. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end and just leave your thoughts in the comment section down below and let us know what's going on. So I'm going to show you how we stay on the grill now, right? Let's go. Yes, guys, that is it. That's how we are looking. So my lovely is going to turn the chicken now and we are doing jerk chicken, right? So yes, guys, properly seasoned from overnight. You don't know the vibe. Alright, guys, when you don't see what I'm going, so we're catching you back when we are moving on to our next step. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there that's watching us. Nekisha White, big up yourself. Happy Mother's Day to you. Yes, guys, and everybody else that's watching, that's mothers. Happy Mother's Day if you're expecting. Happy Mother's Day if you have miscarried. Happy Mother's Day to you. You are still a mother, right? So guys, just the love and appreciation, everything for the season. So forward.
So forward. Look at that. Looking beautiful though. Alright, so you know the catch a drip, so we'll soon forward again.
20 minutes later.
Yes, guys, and so we're going.
Yes, guys, we are making potato salad, tossed salad, along with jerk chicken. So that's the menu for this Mother's Day. Everybody's working on a low carb. So we really are trying to cut down, right? And this is a catering, guys. So as we always tell you guys, call us. We can come in and do the cooking for you, right? So that's that for now. Come show them the lettuce.
Carrot, the right there, so. Chopped lettuce, cabbage.
Show them the potato on the stove.
Potato on stove, a bubble down.
Yes, guys. So that's that, and we're gonna catch you guys again when we have some more action. So forward. Yes, guys, look at that. This is smelling so lovely. And look at that nice char. And guys, when I say nice char, I don't mean bun up, you know. I mean nice and char. Look at that, man. Yes, and you know, Chef Free dancing and swing, huh? Yes, guys. So that's that. So we're just going to turn and base up right now. Give it a base. And guys, this is smelling so lovely. This is smelling real good. Leave it down in the comment section. What is your Mother's Day dinner? What you had, what you made for mommy, what you and daddy plan up for her, all of that good stuff. So leave that down in the comment section and let us know. Look at that, nice and pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh yes, looking all juicy and lovely. Yes, guys, and remember, place your orders, book us now, guys. You are so missing out with the home call. So if you call us and you want us to come at your location and get the job done, we can definitely do that for you guys. So right, and if you want us to prepare it on our location and take it to you, we cater to everything, guys. So we're going to allow this chicken to take on to this nice coat, and then we're going to give it a turn again. All right. So yes, guys, look at that, lovely. So guys, so forward, don't go away, so forward.
Few moments later.
Yes, guys, so let's see what I'm going. She had Julie and the carrots.
Yes, guys.
What you going right there, so yeah, you see that.
You guys, most of the time it's always Chef Reed. You guys are seeing our king, but today it's the both of us, right? So yes, guys, remember Leave your thoughts and views in the comment section down below and let us know how you enjoyed this video and how was your Mother's Day, how you spent the celebration, and what your husband, father, baby father, or fiance did for you. Just leave that down in the comment section. So forward again.
So forward.
5 minutes later.
Yes guys, we're just turning it on the next side and basting up that side as well. Guys, you know, juicy, you know, flavorful. Hey, Chef Reed and Chef Alexander, King and Ali, we don't play, guys. We don't play. Flavor and taste is everything for us. We don't play. Yes, guys.
Take it, you know.
And for all our international or American supporters who have never had jerk chicken before, we have a lot of jerk chicken recipes on our cooking channel. So be sure to go over there and check it out, right? Look at that, guys. My lovely, they're all focused. Yes, guys, we take so much pride in whatever it is that we are doing, right? And that's the vibe. All right, guys, we'll soon forward again. Next time you guys will be seeing us, it's removal time, or we're giving it another base up. So forward.
Yes, guys, so just add some planting. So then they are them that are popping on the fire right there, so just put them back here, turn a while ago and baste them again. So yeah, so the next time when you see we remove everything I remove. We might left the planting a while though, but everything else is going to come out, so we'll soon forward again.
Yes, guys, it's that time. It's removal time. So my lovely, they're removing them chicken. Come closer, I'm gonna see what going on. Yes, guys, all lovely and all beautiful, right? Just put it in the pan now. Yes, guys. And that right there, that's some jerk planting. Ever heard of that? Drop that down in the comment section down below. Chef Rita and Chef Alexander. Yes, guys, you don't know what we do. So yes, guys, we're gonna take you guys now in the kitchen to show you the progress we've been making in there so forward. Guys, this is how we are looking. Just ready up the dressing and stuff, and our cucumber here to be cut up, and this is the jerk chicken here, properly charred, guys. Yes, and this is the dressing that we're preparing to go on the salads and stuff. So forward.
15 minutes later.
Yes, guys, so should have sauce up the chicken then.
Final sauce up this, guys. Final perfectly charred, guys. This is so lovely. So lovely.
Get her clips. I can see what I go on, what she look like in the camera. Watch her, yeah.
So lovely, guys.
We know to catch you, Jeff. So we soon forward and we move on to something else.
So forward. Guys, it's that time to remove these jerk plantains. Yes, guys, let's go. Yes, guys, that's my lovely there, and we're just adding the dressing to the potato salad. Mixing. Guys, drop it down below in the comment section and leave your opinions down there. Let us know what you think, all that good stuff. And here we have our cucumbers cut up. So yes, guys, we are going with the self. Lovely, right? Really good. Yes, so forward, guys. See, lovely there. Adding the vinaigrette to that salad. Toss salad and he's tossing it. Yes, guys. Lovely, right? So we're basically complete here. So So just drop it down in the comment section. Let us know how you spent your Mother's Day, where you went, and all of that good stuff. As we said, we just came to do the catering, and now we're gonna leave. So spam up the comment section, show us some love. Until next time.
Bye, foodies.
But another way about, remember say a king of Hollywood there. Just chicken, right? So we're gonna have a seat and give you guys the talk for today. So forward. Guys, so this is a recap. Jerk chicken, potato salad, and or tossed veg, right? That's it. Yes guys, and this video has come to an end, so we're just going to give you guys a thought for today. Little is much when the Lord is within it. Put God at the forefront of whatever it is that you're doing, and in this Mother's Day celebration, and not just this time only, but all the time, be generous, courageous, and kind to one another, right? What you have to say?
Remember, I'm always telling us that life is like a wheelbarrow. So you have to push where you want in your life. Nothing come easy. It's a sin to feel a lazy man, and when you're lazy, you will never eat. That's my motto. So go and do the right thing, and remember, what some man where you're par with some girl where your wife up, my friend, you me a knife cut, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.